Looking for quality educational content that aligns with global curriculums like the IB PYP? We're diving into a lesson that helps students master clear communication and instructions. Click in the top right corner to find out more about the Spark Path microlesson app. Or, to sign up, scan the QR code on screen or click the link in the description now.
Right, Sarah, this micro lesson is part of our commitment to supporting international education, specifically the IB Primary Years Programme for Language. It's designed for Year 1 and Year 2 students, but it's flexible enough to be used across other years as well. It's called Barrier Games, and the goal is to help students practice giving perfectly clear, precise instructions.
That's a critical skill for the PYP. I'm curious, do teachers have access to supporting materials for this specialized curriculum?
They do. Just like all our other lessons, teachers can access and download the lesson plan, rubric, and the full curriculum map to ensure everything aligns with their PYP scope and sequence. Let's jump in.
Before we look at the activity, what kind of accessibility is built into this lesson? Clear communication is important for all learners.
We prioritize inclusive learning. As the student goes through the lesson steps, which focus on using instructional language and positional words like above, below, and next to, they can use the Speak button to have all the text read aloud.
That's excellent support for early readers. What is the core activity in the creative corner? This is where the AI really shines, right? By the way, if you want to see other lesson videos from me and James, click on the playlist link in the top right corner, or there'll be a link in the description.
It absolutely does. The student is challenged to describe an image and write clear instructions to replicate it. The magic is in the feedback cycle. They write the instructions, click Draw Description, and the AI attempts to draw exactly what they wrote.
So the AI shows them instantly whether their instructions were clear enough to be understood.
Precisely. And we've added an amazing feature for PYP language students, a microphone button. This allows students to speak their instructions instead of typing them, which is perfect for practicing oral language skills. The AI then draws from the voice input and provides instant feedback on the clarity and precision of their spoken language.
That is game-changing for language acquisition. So after they finish refining their instructions, what's the final assessments?
As always, the lesson wraps up with a 10-question quiz. This is followed by a full skills review, and if they achieve 80% or more, they earn a downloadable certificate, plus they get a full report of the lesson.
Thank you, James. The SparkPath micro lesson library truly is built for educators across the globe. To find this IB PYP lesson and many more supporting dozens of curriculums, head over to the library. Use the coupon code IBPYP Global for a 50% discount on your first year's annual subscription. Don't forget, you can scan the QR code on screen or click the link in the description to get started immediately.